Another day, another model. If you remember, some time ago I did a video on Orca, which is a smaller 13 billion parameter model, and it generated a lot of interest some time ago because it was able to outperform ChatGPT on a number of tasks. One of the reasons why it was so successful was a unique dataset creation process. Unfortunately, Microsoft hasn't released that dataset yet, but they have released yet another model which is being called as Open-Orca. So it is all about dataset magic at the moment. If you don't know what a dataset is, then it's nothing but a collection of data that is used to train the model so that model could answer your questions. The common types of data include text data, for example, and a big example would be the public data set, which could be the Wikipedia. As I said that we have now another project, Open-Orca, which you can see on your screen, and it is a 13 billion parameter model trained on dataset which is following the Orca framework. It is primarily a Llama 13 billion parameter, as you can see. They have mentioned on their website on Hugging Face, and it is trained on Open-Orca dataset, as you can see on this screen. This dataset is coming from GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 completions. Completions simply means that when we ask any question from GPT, it returns a complete sentence. The cool thing is that this open Orca has been trained on less than 6% of their data set. And even this small portion of data has produced great results, and the cost is less than $200 in total, which is huge. And it opens up a lot of possibilities for its mainstream usage. This open Orca is also able to achieve 60% of original Orca performance. And just to show you one of its visualized data set, we can go to the Nomics website, and from there you can see this open Orca in action. And on the top right, let me ask it a simple query and see how it performs. So let me see to wins. Sorry, it's a bit slow, but let's see what it does. And you can also select different type of items from here. I'm just going with a question instead of response or source. And then once that's done, click enter here. It takes bit of a time with this search query in this data set, and then it will visualize it what it found as per the token which I gave it. And it is the result set limit is only 500, which is fine. And then you can see on the left hand side it has come up with the response, and it's bit of a reasoning, and also it's giving some of the index and other stuff. Now this is a map which is right out of that data set, and you can see that how small and yet accurate this data set response is. So this is what OpenOrca is, and I hope, really hope that Microsoft will release the data set as soon as possible. Plus, once Orca is fully matured, or OpenOrca, they will not only release the source code, but they would also make it free for everyone to use. I hope that you like the content. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and thank you very much.